Hi everyone, hope you will be enjoying happy life. And other interesting tricky math video is here for you. It is a square root of 4 plus 0 multiplied by 4. Most of the students do in the way that 4 plus 0, 4 multiplied by 4, it is 16 square root, and 16 square root is 4, but it is wrong. So the correct way is, first of all, we will multiply, because in PEMDAS rule, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So first we multiply. So it will become a square root of 4 and 0 multiplied with 4 is 0. 0 multiplied by anything will become 0. So 4 plus 0 is equal to a square root of 4. And square root of 4 is equal to 2, which is our answer. Thank you.